Hi everyone, so finally your wait is over for Aakash National Talent Hunt Examination, the only examination conducted by Aakash that can give you a scholarship of up to 100%. And we are here with the recorded video solutions of ANTHE 2019 that was conducted on 20th October. I will be taking up the discussions of a physics question for class 10th, and for our discussion we will be considering code P. Let's jump into the very first question for the discussion without wasting any further time. So here I have this first question which says, when a body falls freely towards the earth, then its total energy. We are given this condition that we need to neglect the effect of air resistance on the motion of the body. As there will be no air resistance, so it means there will be no loss in the energy due to friction. It means the energy remains the same. So which option is going to be the correct option? That is option number 3. Let me just put this into the box as this is the correct option for this question, and let's proceed towards the discussion for the next question. This is again a simple question which talks about the relative density. This says, which of the following relation for relative density of substance is correct? What is relative density? That is the ratio of the density of the substance to the density of the water at 4 degrees Celsius. So it means if you have a look onto the options, you can clearly see here that option 2 is the correct option. Let me just put this into the box also. So this is the density of the substance divided by the density of water at 4 degrees Celsius. Let's move on to the discussion for the next question. This question says, 3 wires of same material having the lengths in the ratio 2:3:4 and mass in the ratio 3:4:5 are connected in parallel combination across V volt supply. Then the ratio of current flowing through them is. Now this question was, I'll say, medium to difficult question for the examination. Let's just quickly solve this question so that you may get clear whether you have done this question correct or not. So basically you need to find out the ratio of the current that is flowing through these wires. These wires are connected in parallel to each other. So voltage will be same. What is current? Current is V by R from Ohm's law. So this will be V by R1 is to V by R2 is to V by R3. So it means if I just calculate the ratio of resistance and reciprocate it, I will calculate the ratio of the current. Okay, so basically I1 is to I2 is to I3 is the reciprocal of the ratio of the resistances of the given wires. Now if we go by the basic formula for the resistance, that is rho L by A. Here in this question we are given ratio of the length of the wires and we are not given the ratio of the areas. Instead we are given the ratio of the mass. Now here I know most of the students would have stuck here because they do not know that what to do with this mass. I am going to tell you here what was expected from you to do. See here, we know that we can find out the relation between the resistance and the volume. How? If I just multiply this formula and divide this formula with L, this will be rho L square by V. Volume is mass upon density. So R will become rho L square mass into density. I am writing density as capital D. So this is mass upon density and density will go to the numerator. Okay. Now from this formula you can clearly see that R is proportional to L square by M because the wires are made up of same material, so they are going to have the same specific resistance as well as same density. So R is proportional to L square by M. So it means if I just find out or write down R1 is to R2 is to R3, that will simply be L1 square upon M1 is to L2 square upon M2 is to L3 square upon M3. What was the ratio of the current? That was the reciprocal of R. So that will be M1 upon L1 square M2 upon L2 square M3 upon L3 square. Let's quickly substitute the value of M1, M2, M3 and L1, L2, L3. M1 is to M2 is to M3 is 3 is to 4 is to 5, and that is L1 is to L2 is to L3 is 2 is to 3 is to 4. So this will be 3 is to 4 is to 5 divided by 4. L2 is 3, so this will be 9. L3 is 4, so this will be 16. So when you will be writing, after the calculation, when you will do the math and take the LCM, the ratio of I1, I2 and I3 will come out to be 108 is to 64 is to 45. Now let's have a look onto the options and see what is the correct option for this question, which is option number 3. Let me just put this into the box for you. So this is the correct option for this question. Let's proceed towards the discussion for the next question.